I think you're all okay. You're enjoying your Thursday. Just go to the point. I've seen a story on NTV that there is a probe. I'll read the topic. Mike Sonko faces fresh probe over missing Nairobi County billions. The author here is alleging that this story is from the Senate Public Accounts Committee, chaired by the Senator Kajwang, and I think it's Governor for Nairobi appeared before this committee. Now, my point is this. As far as I'm concerned, this is what we call smear campaign or character assassination. This question was brought by the same Senate Public Accounts Committee. It was prosecuted. It has now come again, and we expected my brother, my good friend, my predecessor, Governor Sakaja, who maybe was present, to give good answers as per the records which are there. So without making the long story long, let me make it short and to the point. Wanadanganya watu mabodyguard wa Sonko 33 walikuwa na Sonko Mombasa for 22 days. Number one, sija kwa Mombasa for 22 days nikiwa governor. That is a lie. What I can tell you about these police officers from the National Police Service, Nikuwa City Hall is under the governor's office. We have police officers from National Police Service, APs, regular police, manning City Hall Annex, Wambele, geti ya mbele, geti ya nyuma. We also have CECs, wale ministers wa county, who had bodyguards. We don't have the office of the CC, we have office of the governor. How wote walikuwa categorized under office of the governor. Police officers are human beings. They are entitled to allowances, just like waheshimiwas. Yeah? Kuna wakati wanakesha wakichunga hiyo City Hall. Kuna wakati wanakesha wakiwa na magavana kwa barabara. Yeah. So huyu mshenzi huyu Collins ameweka historic at billions missing. Sonko Pesa fresh prop. Unajua hivi ndio mnapelekwa kotini, politicians make a lot of money like what Biwott did to this nation. Our nation hawajakoma. There's nothing like billions missing during my tenure. If you go kwa hii story, the billions zimewekwa tu hapo kufanya nyinyi muangalie story, but ukienda kwa contents of the story, it is just 4 million. Which was paid as allowances. All these government parastatals, government buildings, judiciary, ministries, the buildings are manned by police officers. And when they are there, apart from their salary which they get every month from the National Police Service, they are also entitled to per diems. If you travel with na polisi, siku moja mbili, hiyo allowance lazima alipwe. Kwa nini hawajasema nimeenda mpaka ngambo? Nileta na polisi mpaka Dubai. And they were paid. Why are they saying 4 million peke yake? Yeah? These are diversionary tactics. Hii question isha kuhandle. Currently, Nairobi imepoteza pesa through legal, pesa ambazo mimi nishalipa, vouchers, zimekuwa recycled, zinalipwa tena saizi. Instead of paying genuine suppliers, wale nilikuwa nikilipa mimi, watu wana recycle vouchers, wanalipa lawyers, mara 2 mara 10. Those billions zimepotea. Why people are concentrating on 4 million? ati Sonko akosa charge. Yeah. Why Senator Kajwang, you are my good friend. Senator Cheragai, you are my good friend. Why you didn't summon me to come and elaborate and give you records and explain? Yeah. Governor Sakaja, kuwa mwanaume, wacha kuanza kujiharia na kujikojolea mapema na kuchora vipindi hapo ndio media wabebe mastori za uongo. Cheni hiyo mchezo bana. Call me there to come. Yeah. National Police Service wako na list ya polisi wote wale wako attached county plus their force numbers. Where are the names of the beneficiaries of this pay 4 million? Where are the names? My officers, my bodyguards were 5. Yes. Hiyo siwezi kata. I used to have problems with Matiangi and Uhuru, bodyguard wangu wakagongolewa, but whenever alikuwa naenda kwa function ya county, alikuwa naenda na bodyguard wa polisi. Yeah? And there is nothing wrong with bodyguards being paid per diem or allowances. They are human beings, they are parents. Yeah? Wanakesha kwa baridi. Aya. Going further to the story, I don't see billions here. That is Sonko. That is Sonko ameiba billions. Following the story, wanaongea mambo ya revenue. Mambo ya revenue. Hakuna mtu ajui. I'm one of the wale first governors wale digitize revenue. Tukawachana na mambo ya cash collection. Pesa ilikuwa inaenda direct to the bank. The current president was one of the guests wale walikuja ku launch hiyo projects Nairobi County when I was the governor. The former president William Menda was there. The whole world was watching. It was a very big ceremony. We got to handle cash. We were even collecting 100 million a day, 150 million a day. Kwanza hiyo ndio iliniletea shida. Because national government ilipojua huyu aliokota 100 million per day na amedigitize, hapo ndio kumbe nilikuwa najiset bila mimi kujua. Mpeane credit mahali iko. Why don't you talk about the 4 modern markets zile nimejenga? Mwairo, Jogoo Road, Kirandini. Why paka leo mjaenda kuzilaunch? Fire stations, Kangundo Road, Waithaka, Ruaraka. The Bandandi Hospital zile nimejenga ya lunga viwandani. Kwa nini mjaenda kuifungua? Na inafanya kazi. Barabara zile nimejenga, kwa nini mjaenda kufungua na zinafanya kazi? What did you tell Kenyans about the good things I did? Instead talking about 44 million ilipo bodyguards. So ngoma bado. The right time ikifika tutajitupa uwanjani. Watu hata wale hawajui wanaongea mambo ya impeachment, hawajui what has happened, what has transpired. They don't know. But it will be wrong for me to talk mambo ya kotini, to be subjudice for me to discuss matters zile ziko pending kotini. So tuachane na hii smear campaign ati 4 million sijui Sonko ati where are the missing billions here in this story? Wewe Collins jifundishe ama urudi shule. Collins wewe wa NTV jifundishe. Hivyo mnashindwa makesi kotini. Jifundishe, jipatie experience. Tuache kuharibiana majina. Mimi I respond to each and everything about myself. So our 33 officers see bodyguards wa Sonko ni askari who was seconded to the office of the governor, doing different duties under the governor's office. All the CECs, my ministers, even the current governor, maybe, I don't know whether his ministers have bodyguards, lakini all those are under the governor's office. All the officers manning that city hall are under the governor's office. Any